Hey guys, it's me, Mason Partak, otherwise known as Social Media Chef. Today I'm talking with my good friend Ryan Kate, and I challenge her to a food fight. What is a food fight, you ask? Well, a food fight is where she does one video, and in this case, we're doing her no-bake, edible cookie dough video. And I try to one-up it. And if she thinks that she can one-up it, then we do that. And we do it with all kinds of different dishes. This is a super easy thing to make. You know, look, the recipe is right here. I watched her video. It was short, easy, snappy. Love it. And you know what? I got it done. It's super fast, and it's delicious. The only one thing wrong with it is that, you know what? There's not enough of it. And I'm not one to usually eat cookie dough. You know, I like it, but I don't, crave it. But this makes me crave it. This is good. So all we did for my truffles is we balled it up, put it in some semi-sweet chocolate, and here's what it comes out as. And these are rustic, by the way. They're not professional, they're rustic. So look at this. Ooh, so you got your milk chocolate chips in the middle, semi-sweet chocolate on the outside, and that ooey gooey cookie dough goodness. Ryan K, I challenge you to a food fight. And if you can't one-up this one, find one of my recipes and try and one-up that. And if you can't, wave the white flag. So thank you guys so much for watching. Ryan K, I hope you can one-up me, because this is going to be something super fun that we can do together. Make sure to check out my YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Mason Partak. And also make sure to check out my Facebook page, which is Mason Made It. And also make sure to check out my website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you babies in the AM.